With the winter storm coming, I wanted to show you my new snowblower. New, right? So, fresh stickers on there. I'm not kidding. This was given to me at Rural King. Made an order online, and this was the new snowblower that I got. So, real good shape, you can see. This was seized up, wouldn't even pivot. The machine wouldn't even start. I had to take the carburetor off, rebuild it, then it fired up. Then it wouldn't even shift from forward to reverse. So I had to take the belly pan off of it, fix it all up, got it all sorted out. But the linkage down there was bent, so I had to fix that. But I was able to get it fixed though, and they did make it right, so I can't complain. I just can't believe they even gave it to me like that in the first place.